If you are running a business or an agency, you know that lead is everything. You can have the best product or service in the world, but if you are not following up with your leads, then you will miss out on sales. That's exactly why so many businesses turn to GoHighLevel. It's a platform designed to help you to manage and track leads like a pro and keeping everything organized so you never miss an opportunity. Today we are going to see how GoHighLevel makes lead management simple and powerful. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link in the description for free trial and the special deal for GoHighLevel. If you use the GoHighLevel free trial, you can get the 14 days free trial, but by using the link in the description, you can get the extended 30 days free trial. So check the description and get the 30 days free trial link. Okay, so let's start with the basic. GoHighLevel acts like a complete CRM and marketing platform all in one. This means you can track every lead from the first interaction to the final sale without juggling multiple tools. You can see who contacted with you, how they interact with your email and messages, and what stage they are at your own sales process. Everything is in one place, which saves a lot of time and the headache. One of the most useful feature is the pipeline view. You can see all your lead organized by stage like new, contacted, follow up or closed. This makes it easy to prioritize who need the attention first. No more guessing or forgetting to follow up with someone important. It's like having a visual roadmap for your entire sales process. GoHighLevel also makes automation simple. You can set up the automatic follow-up via email or SMS or even voice drop. For example, if a lead doesn't respond after a few days, GoHighLevel can automatically send a reminder message. This ensures that every lead gets attention without having to spend hours manually to reaching out. Another great feature is tagging and the segmentation. You can categorize lead based on interest, location or behavior. This helps you to send targeted messages that are more likely to convert. So instead of sending the same generic email to everyone, you can speak directly to what each lead cares about, which increases your chances of closing the sale. Reporting is another strong point. GoHighLevel shows how many leads are coming in, which campaign are working, and where leads are dropping off. This data help you to make a smarter decision and improve your follow-up and grow your business faster. The truth is, GoHighLevel has a lot of feature and it can feel overwhelming at first, but the platform is built to be manageable. Once you get used to it, and the time it saves in tracking, following up, and organizing leads is enormous. So to sum it up, GoHighLevel help you to track lead like a pro by giving you clear pipeline, smart automation and the tagging and reporting all in one platform. Whether you are running your own business or managing clients for an agency, it keeps your sales process organized, efficient and effective. If you want to see how GoHighLevel can help you to track and convert more lead, check the description link and get the extended free trial link. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.